Hello, Asta here. To all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. To the ones who are here a while with me, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm doing another eye makeup look, and again I'm using my new palette, the Anastasia and AMREZY palette. I showed you this palette before. So today I just decided to create less dramatic, less colorful, very quick, only 4-color eye makeup look, and this is how it looks. So if you want to see how I did it, what colors I've used, just keep on watching. So I have a little bit of the NARS primer in dark on my lids. This is the smudge proof eyeshadow base. And now I'm going to go into the palette and grab that gorgeous New Yorker color for transition. And I'm going to use my Kitco 1.12 brush to apply that color onto my lid and into my crease. So today I'm only using this one color for the whole lid and my crease color, and then I'm extending it out towards the tail of my brow to just give that cat eye effect. Now I'm repeating the same step a few times just to get a good color intensity. Then repeating the same steps for the other eye. So first tapping the color onto the lid, and then whatever is left, applying that into the crease and extending it out towards the tail of the brow. So I still don't have my concealer underneath the eye, so I will show you how we can fix in the shape later on. Then I'm switching to a MAC 221 brush, and I'm taking color called OG, and then darkening the outer part and my crease even more. And then going back with my fluffy brush to blend everything out as always in between. So with the Zoeva smudger brush, I'm taking New Yorker color again and applying that underneath my lower lash line. I'm leaving the very inner corner of my eye free of this product, so I'm just kind of applying a little bit more than halfway, but then I'm just leaving this space free. I know the eye shape of the shadows looks a bit messy now. Bear with me, this will be fixed with concealer. As I said, I'm going to apply it and just do a very soft blowout cat eye. So now I'm just spritzing my flat synthetic brush with some finishing spray and dipping that into the color Dragon from the palette and applying that in the center part of my eyelid. So I'm applying that on my mobile lid as well as a little bit into my crease. So I want this color to be seen when your eye is opened. So when you open the eye, look straight in the mirror. If you can't see it, just bring it up a little bit so when it's opened you can see a little glitter going on there. I'll try to use my finger for more intense pigment. Sometimes these type of eyeshadows are best when applied with the finger. And then I'm repeating the same step for the other eye. So just pressing the Dragon color onto the mobile lid in the center and bringing it up a little bit into my crease, so when I open my eye it's actually seen. And then using my finger to intensify that pigment even more. And I'm using the same brush to apply a little bit of that pigment underneath the lower lash line where I left it free of product, just in the very inner part of my eye. And then I'm going back with my big fluffy brush and just kind of blending the top edges together. And for this extra pop of glitter, I'm just taking color Barb here from the palette and applying on a mobile lid using my finger. So this gives me like this extra sheen and dimension to my lid. It works amazing as a topper actually. And then I'm doing my black liner using Stila waterproof liquid eyeliner. And I'm applying that all the way into the inner corner, literally in a tear duct area as well. So then I'm taking NARS Mambo eye pencil and just darkening the outer part of my eye a little bit. And now it's time to clean up the mess underneath the eye. So I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, this one's light beige, and I'm gonna apply that underneath my eyes. So literally just doing a few dots and using my little baby sponge to blend it out. Trying to be careful around my eyes here. And then I'm just using my finger to go in a part of my eyes as the sponge is a bit too big. So you can already see how much more neater that shape is. And then of course I will just fix the shape on the top part as well. So now that that's done, I'm just taking my MAC Studio Fix Pressed Foundation in NC15 and a flat fluffy brush, and I'm just running that underneath my brow bone. So literally this will help me fix the shape on the top and also highlight the inner part of my eye so it's not that dark. Now that the concealer is applied, I'm just taking a little bit more of New Yorker color and just running that along the lash line here on the bottom, just to blend everything together. So I just have to finish off my face off camera, apply some mascara and lashes, and I'll show you how that looks. And here is the finished look, you guys. So as you can see, this palette is so versatile. It's not only the very bright shades and then all the very colorful eye makeup looks that you can create, but also something very simple like this that doesn't take much time. And as I said before, like this palette is even great for every day because of these kind of colors on the bottom. They're really wearable. You don't really have to go for the pop of colors all the time. By using just few colors from the palette, you already can achieve quite an amazing eye makeup look, especially with these eyeshadows. They're so easy to use and blend out, and they just super creamy. I just love Anastasia eyeshadows. I think they're one of the best in the market. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this look. Would you wear it and would you recreate it? And as always, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Just give me the thumbs up, and this really helps my channel to grow. Also subscribe to my channel because I upload my videos every Friday, and if you want to see my future videos, make sure to do that. And then I will sure see you in my next one.